Bye.
Okay, hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk to y'all, give you updates about what's been going on with me, about tell you what upcoming videos I'm going to do on this channel, and that's going to be something about this season of, so I'm eating this cane. But if you are new, hi, my name is Tiffany and this is my YouTube channel. I try to make videos every week, but when I'm not so tired, I will get it up, try my best to get the video up. I keep saying I do make videos every week, so I do my best to post videos every week. But if you are new, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell notification so you don't miss out no upcoming videos that I will be posting. During the days that I do post, you will see it, so you press notification, because sometimes YouTube don't let you know my videos come up on your channel. So if you are new, I had make a video last time about I had started working at Walmart. I've been busy working every 5 days out of the week. 5 days out of the week. I do have some weekends off. No, not weekends off. I don't have no weekends off. I do have some weeks off through the weekends I don't. I have to request weekends off. So during this month I am having 2 weekends off. During next week and the end of this month too, I'm having a weekend. I have to request to have a weekend off, because especially in Cap One and you're working at Walmart, they don't let you have weekends off. You have to request to have a weekend off. Yo, that sucks. So I'm just trying to get this light kind of steady. Yeah, I've been busy. I've been working 5 days out of the week, and it's because I'm full-time. I thought I was part-time, but technically I'm not. I thought this job would be part-time, but it's not. You have to, I don't know. But I like the job. I like it. It keeps me busy. But yeah, so that's what I've been doing. Okay, for upcoming videos, I'm going to do like a fall theme video. I'll do like editing, probably do videos like, yeah, editing, intro, outros, videos, that type of thing. I would probably do like a life hacks a little bit videos. I've been trying to get back into do something like that, 'cause I used to do that. Also do like something different, other type of videos, challenge videos, like probably something from TikTok. Do something like that, like a hacks for that. Fashion type of, like, get stuff like fashion clothes that I can get like buy a Goodwill, because I know it is getting kind of soon gonna get cold, and I know that I would do need to get me some new outfits for fall, but something like not over budget, like something type of videos like that. And I also do reaction videos. I will often would do that on here. I don't know if people like me watching reaction videos. I don't know. When I'm not like doing like, sit down and chit-chat with y'all, I would probably do like editing videos, like I said. Do a little editing videos, probably do like a Halloween kind of video, or like, order some stuff like, you see on Amazon and you want to get like costumes. I saw videos like that many times. Like, I said, I need to do that, but I never did, because at the time I didn't had no job and had no money for me to get that. But I do save my money up, so I don't like spend my money every single day. The only time I do that is at work, but I don't really do it every day. I don't do it. Like, I do it probably twice, 2 times, and that's it, or 3. But I don't really do that because I'm trying to save up, and also because staying with my mom and helping her. Challenge videos, probably prank videos, something like that, so I can help this channel. I thought about do a video, put in all night video for me getting off at work. I thought about that, but I gotta give me a new phone for me to do it, because the other phone, I said this many times on this video, on my videos, I'm trying to wait until I do get one, so I can, like, so I can make up on my second channel. I do need to make up my vlogging channel. I need to make up on that, and so I can make it up on my videos on there. I do need to do an update on there so that they know, so other people know that on my channel, the ones that subscribe on there. If you already subscribed to my second channel, just go subscribe to there. And vlog stuff because I want to vlog my life about, be like a diary for me to kind of like go back and look at when I was like young. That I want to do. That's probably why I started making YouTube videos, but inspire myself to help me. But and also I'm gonna do motivation videos, try to get kind of build up people like I am to overcome things like right now that's going on with the world. It's a lot of stuff been going on, a lot. Also, another thing about Walmart, I will probably do another video about Walmart, about getting y'all about advice about when you work at Walmart, especially who is in Cap One or anything. I'll probably tell you about dress codes too, that you should like wear what kind of clothes that you can't wear and clothes that you can wear. I probably will tell y'all that so that I can like, so y'all don't get yourself in trouble and you working there. And also how to deal with customers too. So I will probably make videos about that, doing when I get back and making videos. But I think that's it. I think that's probably it. I just want to give y'all an update about what I've been up to and what upcoming videos I'm going to be doing. This is the things that I told y'all and stuff, but I just not want to make this video too long. But I think that's it. I don't know if I forgot something. Go watch my last videos that I did and go watch them because I'm trying to grow them views on my other videos to help them, because I know I build up with the Walmart thing, but I'm trying to build up my other videos too. But if you like this video, just thumbs up, comment below what upcoming videos you want me to do, what the things I had told y'all that I'm going to do, because I'm going to get back into doing like I was doing. Let me know in the comments and tell me what next videos you want me to do, and so that I can kind of like, you know, give advice videos to y'all if you want me to do that. I thought about doing some hair videos, but I don't know for sure if I want to do that, because especially from working, my arms be hurting, so I'm not going to be doing hair videos for a while. Reviews about it, probably do like that. But let me know. Like I said, let me know in the comments. And also subscribe if you are new. Subscribe so you know upcoming on videos. And check out my last videos. Do that. And go subscribe to my vlogging channel. My second channel. Go subscribe to that because I'm trying to grow on that one. And go and follow my social medias. They be in the description box. Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and TikTok, and Trailer. And go follow my social medias. And they be in the description box below. And I hope this helps y'all give you updates about it. And so I see y'all in my next video when on my next off day, because it's my off day, but I go back tomorrow. So I was off for 2 days doing Labor Day and today. But I see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all. Oh my god, this one. I'm going to do that. Okay, I'm getting off of here.